So with SeedVR2, you can upscale your images super easily, and the quality is honestly impressive. To get started, head over to the templates in ComfyUI. Just a heads up, make sure you're running the latest update. Now, SeedVR2 does have an upscaler for videos too, but today we're sticking to images. Just click on the preview image and the workflow will load automatically. The layout is pretty straightforward. If you look over on the far left under workflows, you'll find all the models you need, along with the links. One quick tip. The VAE model is supposed to go in the models folder, but that didn't work for me. I ended up putting it in the VAE folder instead. Once you've done that, just restart ComfyUI. For this demo, I used a small 512 by 512 image and set the upscale factor to 4. If you run into an error message, it's probably because your VRAM can't handle such a high scale. In that case, just dial it back down to 3 or 2. It really depends on how big your original image is to begin with. Here are the models we need. From here, you can hit run. I've already tested it and it works great. As you can see, we now have a 2048 by 2048 image. The quality is amazing, especially in areas like water. If you want to squeeze out even more detail, you can bump up the steps in the K-sampler, say, from 1 to 2. But honestly, I think it looks incredible just the way it is.